Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Suit up in layered, thick clothing, gloves, and eye protection. Make sure your face is fully covered. Move at dusk or after dark because wasps return to the nest and activity drops. Once ready, position a red-filtered flashlight so you can see without alarming them. Make sure a helper is indoors watching. Keep a clear escape path behind you and a charged phone within reach. This minimizes stings and prepares you to act calmly and efficiently. You now apply the chosen treatment with control and speed. Hold the aerosol at maximum effective distance and aim at the nest entrance, then spray in a 5-10 second burst to coat it thoroughly. This projects insecticide deep into galleries. If using dust for soil nests, puff into the entrance per label instructions so workers carry it inside. Once done, step back immediately to avoid agitation and observe from a safe distance. Make sure to wait about 24 hours before any closer inspection. You complete the task by verifying the nest is inactive and removing it safely. After waiting the recommended interval, approach cautiously with a long tool. Tap or gently probe to confirm no movement. If silent, dislodge the nest into a heavy-duty bag, seal it tightly, and place it in an outdoor trash bin immediately. If you notice any activity or renewed wasp presence, retreat calmly, make sure everyone is safe, and call a licensed pest professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.